Hi, I'm Uptown Swing.
Oh, I didn't see you there. I'm also Uptown Swing.
No, she's Maddie. I'm Jeremy, and we teach level 2 at Uptown Swing. This month was the 4th week.
Of classics.
This month was the 4th week of the classics month.
The classic month of the 4th week.
That's right.
And we did jig kicks.
They look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we really worked on moving that butt. That was a big one.
Yes, we don't want it to be super twisty. We want that butt drawing a smiley face. We only did that to get ready for our breakaway, which was strolling.
So true. We did it from a swing out.
We did it from a swing out.
And it looked like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then we exited in some fashion.
Yeah. After that, we went back to promenades and we did our little hoppa hoppa swoopy leg variation.
That's right.
Yep. We started with followers in front.
Oh, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Hey ho dee da da. Could also be draggy draggy.
And then we had leaders go in front. Hey ho, to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey ho, to the side.
That's what we did. You did great. That means you are great.
Nice job, Uptown Swing.
Nice job, Uptown Swing.